In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a folder on Google Photos. If you want to keep certain pictures more private and out of your main view, Google Photos has a built-in feature called Locked Folder that makes this very easy. It works by moving selected photos into a protected area so they no longer appear with the rest of your images. This is useful for personal documents, private screenshots, or any photos you simply do not want showing up in everyday browsing. To get started, open Google Photos and sign into your Google account if you are not already signed in. Once you are inside your library, find the photo or photos that you want to hide. You can select just one image or choose multiple photos at the same time if needed. Take a moment here to double-check your selection so you only move the items you actually want hidden. After selecting the photos, click or tap the three-dot menu. This opens more options for managing your images. From that menu, choose Move to Locked Folder. Google Photos will then ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm, and the selected photos will be moved into the locked folder. Once the photos are in Locked Folder, they are removed from your main photo grid, so they will not be visible in your regular browsing view. They are also hidden from albums, which means they will not appear when you open album collections. In addition to that, they will not show up in memories, they will not appear in search results, and they stay out of the standard Google Photos experience. That makes Locked Folder a strong option when you want more privacy without deleting anything. If you have never used Locked Folder before, you may need to set it up first. To do that, open Google Photos, then go to Collections. On some older versions of the app or interface, this section may be called Library instead. From there, open Locked Folder. Google Photos will guide you through the setup process, and you will follow the on-screen instructions using your device screen lock or Google account verification. This setup helps make sure only you can access the hidden content. And that's it. Once setup is complete, moving photos into Locked Folder only takes a few taps or clicks. If you want a cleaner photo grid and a little more privacy, this is one of the simplest tools available in Google Photos.